much get more extreme than the skateboarding budgie, does it? Come on, enjoy it. Come on. Up you come, man. Up you come. Come on. I want you. Right, okay. Now, the big round of applause. Give him a round of applause. Not only is he going to ride down this devilishly high ramp, yeah, but he's also not wearing a crash helmet. Come on. Right. Are you ready, my lad? Are you ready? Wait. Get on the skateboard. Come on. No, not to the... On the side. There we go. You're not clapping enough for him. That's what it is. Right, Pierre. I know you're a Frenchman, yeah? And of course, to your country and all of that, but, you know, just for us, here, he's going to vote Tory in the next election, so he's a bit of a royalist. Up you go, mate. Up you go. There you go. Come on. You missed it up, never mind. That's the one. Right. What are we going to do now? Oh, I remember. Right now. That's it, my lads. Come on in, up we come. Up we come, my lads. Are you ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure. Have you all had fun? Yes. Do you like my friends? Yes. Right now, boys. Remember the dress rehearsal? I don't want another incident like that. Okay? Right, so basically, I don't trust you. I really don't. I'm not trusting you today. First, here we go. Everyone give me a clap. I'm doing the work. One day I said to my mum, I'm going to put one of my Budgies on YouTube. She said, that won't get any hits. I was like, 4,000 hits. Here comes Tony the Tightrope Budgie. You can all YouTube that one. Drum roll, please, maestro. Off you go, Alright guys, we'll have an absolutely wonderful time here tonight. I'm here all week, try the fish. I'm only joking, it's been an absolute dream of an opportunity for us. So, there's only one thing to do. And it's to say goodbye. Are you ready to say goodbye, lads? Are you ready? Can I say goodbye? They're not working with me today. You're going on strike. And before you wonder about me white one, I got him cheap from a pet shop. I say the pet shop, I went in the pet shop and I said to the bloke, how come the green budgies are only a £5 and the blue budgies are 12 quid? He says to me, well they're on higher purchase. But no, he had a job in the pet shop and he was just greeting the customers coming in, saying hello and stuff like that. But then one day he got sacked because the owner found him really speaking the trill. There's a good boy, trill. I said trill for you, didn't I? Anyway, it's been a pleasure. I hope you have a good time. I'll see you again.